That's the cylinder head I have to replace because it's split by the plug. Don't think you can see it on my crappy webcam. I couldn't see it when I restored it. It showed up after it was under compression. There's the intake manifold, split all around the flange, but when I took it back off I noticed it's been welded up before, so we've ground too much of the weld off and it's cracked through again when I fitted it with a new gasket. So I'm just going to try and fire it up now and I'll have to bring it back in because I haven't got enough room for the laptop in here and fire an engine up, thank God.